Hey y'all, this is a short little video about how to clean electronics. It's a specialty item for Brad. He's got a little vintage Gallaxia game. You'll notice that he's got some white vinegar. You really need a bucket of stuff or a little workbench when you're doing eBay. And I keep like liquid air there and grease and towels and alcohol swabs and all kinds of fun things that help you clean stuff up. What he teaches you today also applies to other electronics like leg shavers and my favorite fuzzy stuffed animals that talk. Enjoy.
Wanted to do a quick little video on here to show you how to clean the contacts if you've got some vintage electronics. This here is the actual Gallaxian game, vintage, but you'll run into some people who have left the batteries inside of them, and this here works the best. I've used a lot of different things, but the distilled white vinegar will actually clean the contacts. So what you do is use a Q-tip and rub it around all of your contacts, your springs, your internal parts here, and that will clean your contacts off and get them back into working shape. So here I'm cleaning them off, the contacts. They have a lot of rust, battery corrosion in them, and the distilled white vinegar will take a lot of that out. Not all of it, but it will take a lot of it out. So as you can see here, it's pulling a lot out of this area. This here was a very corroded one, battery compartment. This is a highly collectible item, so if you can get them back in working order, it'll be worth a whole lot more money than selling for parts. And here you can see now the Gallaxian game is working. It was not working when I found it. And using the white distilled vinegar, cleaning the battery contacts, did the trick. And now I am able to sell it as working, used condition. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this. Thank you.